Sierra, I am lids.
I just
So crazy. Look at the eyelashes. Ready for picture. Good morning, good morning. My skin is nice and ooey gluey because I just washed my face. So today we have, well, today and this weekend, I have an eventful weekend. I am super excited. So it is Easter long weekend. Do I have moisturizer on my skin? Okay. It is Easter long weekend here and I work for the government. So I have 4 long days off, okay? And I just have so much freaking energy. So today, me and Arena and her husband are going to this cafe. Girl, when I tell you I've been obsessing over these pictures, like I've never been, but I would just love to. Anyways, I'm just here in bed and we are meeting up at 12:30. It is 9:14. They're so nice to pick me up. Thank you guys. So I'm trying out these magnetic lashes. This is what Sierra got me. So they have different styles. They have like normal wear to like abnormal to party wear. And you know me, I'm used to these ones, right? So I'm thinking just a little bit more subtle. So I'm probably gonna up here. I've never used magnetic lashes. Ooh, it's hot in here. I've never used magnetic lashes before, but my girl Jackie Naturals here on YouTube, she always shows a bunch of tutorials. What's that? Oh, there's tips. Oh, as I was speaking about it, it tells you how to do it. Okay, but I've seen her do it, and you're supposed to obviously shake the bottle with the magnetic eyeliner. You put it on like eyeliner, you let it dry completely, and then you just magnetic lashes. So we're gonna try that out. I don't even know what kind of makeup I want to do. Let's see. I'm wearing blue and black, so I might try like a nice darker look. So I went with this look, you know, just a little shimmer to match my navy blue and then the black and everything. And I'm gonna show you guys me using the magnetic lashes for the first time. These are so cool. Like, you know, when you usually pull them off of like the holder, like they get stuck, the glue, sometimes they rip, whatever. Like, look, it's literally magnets. Oh, it's not going. Okay, fine. Okay. Let me show you how I put them on because I want you guys to see my full first reaction. Well, I usually like to record me getting ready, but it sucks because when I play music, I have to play it off YouTube because my iPod broke, sad face. So I can't record and play music at the same time. So it was nice because they gave 2 of these magnetic glues just in case. Because you know we gonna be using this every day. This makes getting ready in the morning so much easier. I don't wear lashes to work, but if I did, it would be easier. Okay, so now we just let this dry, so I'm gonna do my lipstick in the meantime. So I've been loving the natural lip combo. So for dark skin ladies, dark skin girls, you usually use a darker liner for the outer lip and then use like a nude color. It makes this like natural ombre effect, and then you can put a gloss or you can leave it matte. I've just been loving that look, especially when my outfit is a little vibrant. I don't like to do red lip all the time. Like red lip on me looks clownish for some reason. I've been liking the neutral, especially for work. So you can leave it like that, or you can line it in a little bit more for that ombre effect. Actually, I think this is eyeliner. It is eyeliner. Yeah, so you can use anything, honestly. Like, it's eyeliner. You don't need a lip liner because lip liners don't usually come this dark. So, like that. And then I just bought this new one. It's the NYX Butter Gloss in Ginger Snap. I ain't a makeup guru, okay? But anyways, I have this one in the lighter shade and I love it. And it's almost running out. And I was like, you know what? I really wish I could have bought a darker one. And then they came out with a darker one and I bought it. I love these glosses. NYX has the best like lip colors, I swear. And you just clean it up a bit. It's my birthmark. Is it funny? A lot of people, they're always like, oh, you have lipstick on your lip. No, girl, that is my skin. I was born like this. It's giving gothic today, but I really like it. And look, it's a natural nude. Let's try to put on these lashes, okay? Gives you a little tweezer. I don't think you need them, honestly, like adjust them. And the tweezer is metal, so of course the lash sticks to the metal. Okay, I need to put you down for this. I chose the one that has kind of like a cat eye. So it's shorter here, longer here, and that's just how I like it. My eyes are almond shaped. I can't see anything. My sunlight. Wow, that was incredibly easy. That's crazy. I'm gonna text Sierra right now. I'm gonna be like, girl, all. And you know what's funny? I always carry like extra. So I've been using the Duo glue. It looks like black eyeliner. Game changer for black girls. But I've been carrying that in my purse because in case the eyelashes ever fall off, you don't want to be caught slipping like that, ladies. Holy crap. Guys, this is a game changer. Holy crap. Look at that. Whoa. Whoa. I need to text Sierra right now. I need to text her right now. Sierra, I am literally dying. I just used the magnetic lashes. Look at this, girl. So freaking easy. Like, what? This is crazy. And I obviously use the like more subtle, you know me. I would go all out, but I just want to try it at first. Girl, thank you. Life changing. Oh my god, guys, remember how I had a hard time wearing my lashes with my glasses? Like, look, that just annoys me. Like, look what I can do. I just put it on later. Oh, this is genius. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. Sit there. Do you care if it gets on your clothes? Damn, it takes so long to sit down. Okay, what color? You have to pick. So I have two palettes. This one or both have good colors. And you can mix. So I usually do like a dark on the end and then like a brighter color and then like a gold. You can match your shirt if you want. Like, how about that? Those two.
But I kind of like
the purple. You want purple? You wearing green?
Yeah. No. I'm not thinking.
Okay, so you want purple. Okay, I can try that. Close your eyes and look up. Or down. Sorry, down. Let's try. You have to look. Touch your head and look down. Yeah, there. Because you have tiny lids.
I have very almost hooded lids.
It is hooded. Is it tickling you?
Oh, it feels good. So I have trouble putting eyeliner because
it's hooded.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. That's how I feel too.
And then I put my eyeliner on and I don't wait for it to dry and I
You have to wait for it to dry.
I didn't know that. I thought it was instant.
You thought it was magical?
No, I thought it was instant.
Instantly drying. But it's wet in the package. Now, okay, I'm gonna clean it up. But do you want more color in the middle? Like a gold?
Yeah, I don't understand how when you use a brush and all the eye powder falls on your face. The one thing they never teach you, like, how do you use a brush? Like, if you use a sponge, I understand. But when you use a brush...
For eyeshadow? Because you're supposed to shake the brush off.
Oh, okay.
So let's say you take some. And you shake it.
Oh, okay.
With them.
There's a difference when somebody does your makeup versus you doing it yourself.
Yeah, it's because you know your colors, you know your angles.
Not only that,
it's also hard to see.
It's hard to angle your hand to do stuff. And sometimes, you know, like even sometimes, like if I'm doing eyeliner, I have to put on my glasses. How
are you going to do makeup with glasses?
Exactly. Exactly.
So now I'm going to put liner on. It'll feel wet. Let's see. Okay, let it dry for a bit. Which lash do you want? You can open yours.
Oh, I don't like long ones.
Okay, this is it goes tiny to long. This is the smallest one. This is like baby lashes.
I like them like doll eyelashes.
Doll. Okay.
Like full but short.
Okay. Oh no, you looked up and you got it all over. God damn it!
So you told me to open my eyes and look.
No.
See, these are things I should show you in the tutorials, right?
I know. Wow. Did you feel that?
I just feel like feather.
That went on so easily. This is good for you because you don't have to like be precise with it. You don't.
Yeah.
You just put the eyeliner on
and I don't like too much hands here on my eyes.
It's not the greatest job, but you know.
Oh wow. That's a lot different.
So try pulling it off. Okay, now try putting it back on. Yeah. Wow.
That's easy.
Right?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
That's so easy. You just straight up in the morning.
That's much better than glue, man.
Right.
I've been watching the tutorials.
On YouTube? You have all this hair and you put it in a ponytail all day.
Yeah, because I hate my hair in my eyes.
It's not in your eyes.
Yeah. Oh, my hair's gone so gray.
Well, it looks nice.
You like it?
Yeah, I would do it. I would do my hair like that. As soon as I go gray, I'm dyeing my whole head gray.
Looks good.
Oh, it's so cool. Good birthday present. Yeah. I've been excited since like 2 days ago. Yeah, inside. Oh, they got the Easter one.
yes, but no.
Actually, let's see that. Ooh,
It's nice.
Yeah, it is like right beside lines down and the whole floor. Colors on. I can't remember. I forgot that we were going here first. I don't remember the food place. Is this the place where we're sitting down?
No, this is the market where you're getting groceries.
I forgot which one we went to. I just put in the address.
Oh my god.
Ooh. Buy it. Ooh, pineapples. This lettuce, yeah, there was some, there's iceberg, all the greens,
And on top of it, it's like so you just freeze it, or I bake apple
that's
pies.
smart.
Okay, I have to take a picture because you know I forgot I'm a reviewer.
She forgot.
No, because once someone Google would be like, oh my god, remember you're famous? I'm like, yes.
That looks so good.
I'm just gonna be filming you guys.
I'm filming me. So we don't want influencer life. Okay, let's try the falafel.
Just show myself for a couple of
Yeah, that looks so
That's
good.
also how I know about Pure Kitchen because we work with them as well.
Making hot. So dip it in what? Tahini or the hummus?
But did you taste the falafel? It's the best thing in the world.
See, I would need to eat it hot. So how do you reheat it?
Oven.
Put it in the oven for a couple of
Yeah,
minutes?
yeah.
So, just want the chickpea sign.
I just love business, especially food businesses. So
It's so crazy. I like the door.
they just said I'm watching.
So you're... $6.99. Strawberries. Like section? Bakery. Whoa, those are huge.
Okay, I want bread. Which one?
I can't have bread. Yeah, I was gonna say. It's $1.99. I like it. I like the color.
Not too low for you.
Yeah, for sure.
Too low?
Yeah. Okay, hold on. So I like that. Two.
I like this.
Yeah, it's nice. It's just a little too.
One day,
So weird.
This one, yeah, comes with a.
Yep.
That's gonna burn the wall down.
This one's real too.
Yeah, $24. So I'm just waiting for Sierra to pull up, but we are going to the experimental farm. I'm so freaking excited. And the weather is so nice. I don't even think I have to wear a jacket outside. And they have the baby animals. It's called Easter at the farm. They have all the new baby animals. There's like chicks, goats, baby bunnies. So I'm so excited. Yeah.
Like this. I don't know about animals.
I know, I was like, oh. Activities. Who's your buddy?
Where's your flag?
It's a big boy. Well, it don't feed them. It looks like they got fashionable boots. Yeah, I think we just touched them. Whoa! Seriously, they got like a playground.
I'm just scared he's gonna. They're so mean.
That's
pretty.
Try it. Just try. He looks mean. Oh, seriously? Oh wow. Okay, maybe they did that on purpose.
Kids?
This little baby. Her little baby.
I don't know why they have people all over them.
I don't know. Oh my god, the little baby. No, but I would like to.
Yeah, they're fun. Such a pretty cow.
That looks very healthy. Very healthy cow.
Oh my god.
Mama?
Look at that head.
Hi, Mama.
I don't know my hand thing, but this one's gonna come and chop it.
She might actually lick you.
Hello. I don't think they're very,
Yeah, she might lick you. Put your hand out.
I'm scared.
Hello.
Okay. Are you
What she
scratching yourself? Are you
likes?
scratching?
No, she likes it. That is so cute. Oh, she likes it. Wow. Actually shocked. She likes it.
So cute. She's so beautiful. Oh my god, you're gorgeous.
She likes you.
Do I get a lick?
The baby. Hello. Hey, baby. Aww, look at the eyelashes. You're the tongue. The tongue. She's scratching. She's itchy. Yeah, look. Oh no! But they don't know English. To them, they're Diana.
I don't like my dog.
She's being fed. I don't think whales can hear that. So pretty. Yeah, these are pretty. Imagine it, and then
It falls. And then he comes to eat it.
chicks and rabbits. Oh my god, it's so cute in here. Oh my god. He wasn't that big.
Oh, that one's huge.
Yeah, you just bunny.
Yes? No, no. Yeah, look at me.
Oh my god.
Wait, watch him. See what he's doing.
It's not really that.
Because it's being when they yawn. They're so soft. This is how my bunny felt. I'm so shocked. He loves attention. Oh, when they yawn, they're so cute. Oh, you're so soft. This is how my bunny felt.
He's so soft.
I'm so shocked. He loves attention.
Here, watch this dad. He's the grandpa compared to
Okay. They used to have a baby bunny too. What? They're so calm. No. 13.
Yeah, I'm scared to get it. Look, I don't think
I'm good. They're trying to get warm.
it's like
those feathered ones. Have you seen them? It's like a, they're like a really, that's it's true. Why is it not focusing?
But I've never really been a mountain pig, so I did not know this. Yeah, I'm scared to get peckered. Look, I don't think
I'm good. They're trying to get warm.
Yeah. Like toxins. I'm a mountain pig, so I did not know this.
He's eating what? No, he's drinking water.
Oh, water's kind of smell bad though.
What does this smell like?
It smells like hay. It also smells like shit. The other one smelled like piss. And it was like a stinging smell. I don't know how to explain it.
I know.
You're not allowed to touch the egg.
I think so.
That's for the
They're big
Oh, yeah,
animals.
big bladders.
This one's name's Sarah.
Oh, hi Sarah.
I just want to pet it.
Do they know their names, do you think?
Maybe. Can I pet you? Aw, thank you.
Your scarf girl.
Oh, yeah. You just want my scarf, don't you? Sorry, girl.
You want me to hold?
No, you guys don't want to be.
Sarah's like, give me all the cuddles. Aw.
Sarah, you guys have a better love life than me. I'm down, I'll go. Hi, baby. Ainsley.
Oh, this kind of gives me like fun.
Right? That's what I was saying. Yeah. That's why when I saw it, I was like, oh.
And like
So I'm gonna Google. Can I touch you? Oh, he wants my scarf. That's not for you. The sun is sunning. So we just went and visited the agriculture museum and we got to see all the animals.
They were super cute.
Girl, how did the pig farm smell?
Ass. Like ass. Like ass and feces and like
Dirt.
pee. Oh.
But I was like, oh, this is fine. This is
Yeah,
a
but
normal
she
day.
has a different tolerance when it comes to smell, okay?
So now we're gonna go to we're gonna try to find the greenhouse and then explore with that.
Yeah.
There you go. Really? Where? Oh, it's so beautiful in here. Wow. I told you it's hot. You should trust me, girl.
You're right.
It's because they're tropical plants, so they have to. So I'm getting a couple plants like these for my office at home. Yeah.
Like,
You know, this would be really pretty for picture. Non-potable.
you have to specify because people try it. Oh, the sun with black people meant. Mwah, mwah.
Girl, this year, orange.
Oh yeah. System of some sort.
Very scientific. I like the information. I wonder what temperature it is. If I didn't have a job?
Yeah.
What do you mean? I don't understand.
Look at good job. You're trying to get some sauce.
Times where they tell you. No, the style. So I like these long skirts.
Like, you see that? That's a nice color.
This one, right? Yeah, I love that color. $17.
Stuff like that. Good.
Even that material.
Yeah.
It's nice.
That's more in line of what I want to look at.
I want to do pants. Look.
Yeah. Oh, that's beautiful.
But I think it's too small. The waist is too small.
That's a line.
Yeah, but the flare leg is really what I wanted.
Yeah, something like that.
And it's from Zara. Oh my god, how much is it?
What's up with you?
21. That's crazy.
Sarah, do you want to...
Dad's gonna freak out.
I know, the lid with my top.
Yeah,
How much is it?
he's gonna freak out.
How much?
It was $210.
Oh my god.
I know, right?
Okay, no more shopping.
Just get take through the flavors. All the ginger is dried up. A few what? I don't have any.
I felt it. But you can use the tip. So Should be pounding your thighs.
I got lots of goodies. I want to show you all of them. So let me just take it all out and I will show you. Okay, let's start with Plato's Closet first. This one was a lot. So I was getting a lot of work stuff. Let's start off with clothes first. So I'm gonna wash all these obviously because they're secondhand. If you don't know what Plato's is, secondhand store where you can, my hair's like crazy. You can sell and buy things. It's like a thrift store but higher end. And my girl Arena, she was the one who introduced me to this store. It is literally a higher end value village. All these clothes behind me, I'm gonna be sorting through them and then taking them to drop off so I can sell them. Okay, so let me show you what I got. So these are all work clothes. So remember that, that's the vibe. So I got these flare legs, they're in. Look, super cute. I got this nice chic jacket. I was so excited about these. These are from Zara. Okay, from Zara, but they were, let's see, I don't know if it tells you the original price. These were on clearance, half price off. So this is 21 and half price off 21. And look at these. I love them. Love them. And they have these, look, the material's so soft. They have these little linings underneath, so it's like not completely sheer. Oh my god, I cannot wait to wear these. Then I got some turtlenecks to wear with pencil skirts. This is very stretchy It's a crop, but I thought if I wore it with a high-waist pencil skirt, it'll do. I got these. I'm really liking, that was my whole style guide. I wanted elegant business wear, casual with the flare leg. So these are more tighter, but they're still the flare type material. These have by the ankles. Material's so soft. Where's this one from? Zara as well. Okay, just to wear with outfits. These, really cute. These were 15, half price off that. These are my summer outfits. These were 19. There's a dollar store next. So I went to 2 different dollar stores because I wanted to get a bunch of things, and honestly with dollar stores it's hit or miss. You gotta check. If you find something, buy it. Do not wait, because it will never be there again. Okay, look at these. Aren't they adorable? It looks like basket material, but it's actually soft plastic, like bendable plastic. And then I got it in a different style as well. I got it in the green. So cute. And then I got these for my mom so she can match me. So the red. I think they're so cute. So there's little organizer boxes. They're very soft cotton. So this is nice for a nice spring cleanup. I got pink, beige. I got 3 of them. Then I just got some stuff from my desk. So I saw this sketchbook and I have one already, but I couldn't resist, honestly, because this was hard to find. So they're blank pages. It's actually meant to be like an artist sketchbook, but I just think it's super pretty. And this is the vibe that I'm going for with my office desk. So I thought that'd be nice to have on my desk. Check this out. It says to-do list. Nice pink. It's plastic. I don't know why I would need a list, but I'm definitely going to have one. I got this pencil case. It's holographic. That was so cute. Toothpaste, chocolate. Phoenix box. I got this super neon water bottle. It's plastic, but it looks like those glass ones. You actually be surprised what you can find at the dollar store, especially when it comes to like office. So I got these 2 makeup cases. I actually use them as pencil cases or for pens and markers. Aren't they cute? And I can put them on my desk as a nice vibe. Glass straws, because I'm trying to be a bougie influencer. And it comes with a cleaner. Dressing bottles, look how tiny they are. My hand. Look how tiny they are. So cute. Allergy medicine. Allergy season's coming up. I already popped one. Open. Beauty bands. I lost mine. Last time I worked out with Arena, I lost mine. But she actually surprised me with, gifted me 3. Like she got me 3 colors the same. Pink, purple, and blue. So I got this one for when I'm not with her. Face cleansing pads. I use these like crazy. Tangler brush, because I bought this before and someone broke it and then hid it from me. Oh my god, I love this lip color. So it's 7:10 in the morning, getting ready for this houndstooth skirt on. It's a long skirt, but it looks super cute. Look at this. So this is the new NYX Professional Makeup Shine Loud. So it has the liqueur color and then the gloss, and girl, look at this ombre lip I did. Oh, and I used a brown eyeliner pencil. I love it.